SoEasy, Xiamen, Photovoltaic Technology Company Limited, founded in 2015 and based in Xiamen, China, is a leading global new energy technology enterprise. With a founding team boasting over 17 years of PV industry expertise, we focus on R&D, intelligent manufacturing system integration, and smart energy services for solar mounting systems, energy storage solutions, and BIPV products. We operate 2 modern manufacturing bases in Xiamen totaling 15,000 square meters with an annual mounting capacity of 2.4 gigawatts and 360 megawatt-hours energy storage output, supporting mass production, flexible customization, and OEM services. Equipped with over 70 independent patents and international certifications, including JIS-CE and ISO, we provide more than 200 full-scenario solar products. Our solutions have been installed in over 3,000 projects across 100-plus countries, with a cumulative capacity exceeding 10 gigawatts. Our BIPV carport systems hold the #1 market share in Japan, and our intelligent cleaning robots boost power generation by 15% to 20%. Backed by strict quality control, we offer a 10-year warranty and 25-year design life, and provide customers with full life cycle services, including precise design, on-site guidance, and intelligent operation. With a 5.05 international platform rating, 96.3% on-time delivery rate, and response time within 4 hours, SoEasy Solar is a reliable global partner dedicated to promoting green energy development and building a zero-carbon future.